Hello, YouTube, social media, all the things world. I wanted to hop on here and show you what we're doing in real time. So I just got done staking up the eggplant and peppers that were all a flop using some recycled bamboo here. Oh yeah, so check it out. Because they're coming along. And then we just pull off the little dead leaves. There. Make sure they can keep on growing. And peppers. This is a goat shirt from an Oregon artist. One Lane Road. She makes amazing stuff. And this is my favorite goat shirt from a few years ago that I got. Okay. And here we got our peppers are all going really good. Look at them. Isn't that a fun view? When you like get down low and you just see all it's like, okay, if you were ever a kid that liked to lay under the Christmas tree and just look up at all the lights, I kind of feel that in the garden when I'm down low and can see all the fruit hanging, you know, whether it's eggplants or peppers or tomatoes, you kind of feel like a kid under the Christmas tree, and it's the coolest feeling ever, except for it's stuff you get to eat. And we are trimming the tomato vines. So this is really important in high humidity environments like ours in Oklahoma. So as you can see, Mr. Ragtag's doing the hard work. It's already got, this is like the second load. So he's trimming and tying up the tomatoes. This is what it looks like when it's done, right? Just taking off all the dead stuff, like all diseased. And then it just opens it up for really great airflow to cut down on that. Anyways, and then tying them up so they can keep growing and not flop over. So as you can see, this side has been thinned and tied, and then this is the side that he's working on. So that's what it was like before. This is reality. Playing catch up. And so let me think, what else can I share with you? We are doing some maintenance, and then we'll be preparing for a farmer's market on Saturday. And some things we are bringing is basil, because it's getting eaten by all the wonderful sweet potato vines. So we'll harvest basil, bring that to farmer's market, along with vine ripened tomatoes and the rest of the green onions that are hidden in here between the ginger and okra. Okra is just starting to come on. I don't feel like we have quite enough to bring yet. We will be harvesting the rest of the carrots this next week, but those are going to be ones that I pickle and do dilly carrots to can and bring to market. But definitely tomatoes, green onions, peppers, and peaches. Here, I'll show you the peach trees that are ripe here real quick. And then, we cleaned up the artichokes. So it's like getting huge. So if you watched our last full garden tour, you would have seen things a little bit differently. Excuse me, just holding a camera myself. You know, reality. Unfortunately, we had a full peach branch break, but these are getting ripe. So, yay, we'll harvest those. Perfectly ripe peaches for farmer's market on Saturday. So, if you're a peach lover, and we'll make our last week, Mr. Ragtag made peaches and creme brulee, you know, peaches and creme brulee, and did that, and it was so good. It was really like my new favorite creme brulee. It was delicious. So he'll be doing that again. So yeah, if you're local and want some amazing non-sprayed regenerative agriculture, no-till, no pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, any of that stuff, kind of veggies that are locally grown, then come see us at the Bartlesville Farmers Market, and we'll bring all our hard work to you and hope to see you there. Anyway, so this is what we do. See you later. Bye.